Welcome once again to this YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at a function called GROUPBY in Excel. The GROUPBY function is a function in Excel that groups a set of data based on a given computation. Here in the Microsoft Docs, it talks about the GROUPBY function and the different arguments that are required for you to perform the grouping. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to go to a data set here in my Excel, and I'm going to type the group by, there's a helper there. Then the first argument is I'm grouping by what. So to do this, I have a data set here which has salesman, month, year, and amount. So I want to group by the salesman. So I pick the salesman's data, including the header, and I will show you why I'm including the header. Then the values that I want to group by are in column E. I pick them as well. Then I go up. Then the next thing is, what do I want to be done on these values? Do you want to sum them up? Do I want to count them? Do I want an average? What do I want? I want to sum. So I write the word sum. There are different options here. There's sum if, product, sum product. Quite interesting. I'll be looking at these in future. Then for now, let me put the word sum. I think these are the mandatory arguments. I click enter, and there you go. So you're gonna see that the names of the salesmen here, and each of these salesmen has a corresponding total, which is this one here. Now let's look at the next argument. The next argument we have is headers. If you want the headers to show, you type F3 and press enter, and there you go. You see I have my headers here. Next argument is the total. If you want the total to show, if you don't want to show by default, it does show. But if you do not want it to show, you put a 0 there, press enter. It is spilling over. Now it is showing, comma, put a 0, press enter, the total goes away. And of course, I want the total, so I put a 1 in there, and my total is on. The next argument is about sorting. I can sort by salesman, or I can sort by amount. So the salesman is in column 1, or index column is 1, and the amount is index column 2. If I want to sort by the salesman in index column 1, so I just put here, comma 1, press enter, and you're going to see that these names are now in alphabetical order, ascending order. Alice, Bob, David, in ascending order. Then if you want the amounts to sort by the amounts are in column 2, index is 2. So change this to 2 and press enter, and there you go. So these are also now in ascending order. We are starting with the lowest and increasing over as we go down. This is what I can show you for now as the group by function. I hope it is helpful. If you have any question on it, I'll be doing more complicated examples on this subject. Otherwise, if you have a question, drop me in the comments below. Otherwise, have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends.